Oh shit. Good morning, y'all. What up, Zodiac? What up, Kenji? Yo, yo, yo. I'm a bit late on this stream, but I think we're gonna push. Potentially. I mean, we have so much liquidity to the downside, so I'm not against shorts, but like, holy, I think we do something like this today. If I were to guess, we push up and then we sell off, maybe. Or we sell off and then we push. I don't know. We'll see. Morning, y'all. Morning, y'all. Yo, okay, shit. Okay, I came out with a video yesterday, and shit just keeps getting worse at Top Step. Now they came out with intraday trailing drawdown now, guys. Well, that's for the live account, but still, that's some crazy shit going on, bro. Holy fuck. Hey, appreciate it. I hope you're learning something, Kenji, from the streams. But yeah, so ES is about to take these highs, so I would expect maybe for a push up on NQ as well. We got like triple equal highs almost, basically, so relatively equal highs. If not, and ES takes this high and immediately rejects, then I would probably expect NQ for it to not reach for this high. Instead, it'd fall short a little bit and then just sell off. But yeah, we'll see. Very choppy open so far, I will say. Holy. What y'all thinking today? Long or short? What do you guys think? Yo, what up, Boom? How you doing? What up, Mizu? My OGs. Welcome. No way. So I found out about this account from when you taught how to use copy trader on Tradeovate. Dude, that's one of my older videos. Damn. Okay. Okay, Kenji. Dude, I need to do an updated video on that because that shit is so old. It's like the My Funded Futures one. That's so old. It's like over a year ago. Yo, what up, food guys? Okay, I gotta do a giveaway for you guys, bro. My OGs, bro. I might have to do like a giveaway for like new viewers and then all my OGs, bro. Like I want to give an account away to food guys, Mizu, Boom, Dishwasher. I might have to, bro. Yeah, I found you when I was researching Lucids. Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. Yo, Monk. I got a 50K with code Monk. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Almost every day here since beginning of August. Yeah. Hey, you know what? How about this? I think on Thursday or Friday stream, let's do a giveaway. And I'll do a giveaway for obviously the people I think deserve it, the one that I keep seeing show up every day for the streams. I have a couple people in mind to give away, for giveaways at least. And yeah, we'll see. I'll probably give away 3 accounts on Lucid, so if you guys are interested, show up for the stream. Yeah, I got a couple people in mind, but yeah. Yo, what up, Duma? How you doing? Yeah. Yeah, very choppy so far, bro. Very choppy, bro. This is kind of lame. It's kind of lame. And there's not really much for me to work off of, but let me check the higher time frame real quick. I don't really do this, to be honest, but I mean, I guess we're in a 4-hour fair value gap, a bullish 4-hour fair value gap. We did. Yo, what up, Komong? We haven't really closed above this. I mean, we closed above this inversion, and we're kind of hanging around this 4-hour for fair value gap as well. The 1 hour is looking nothing too crazy. 15-minute. The 15-minute, we're kind of holding this 15-minute gap. Y'all think it's going up here? Let's do a quick poll real quick. Let's see. Let's see. Are you bullish or bearish? Let's do this. Bullish. All right, let me know what y'all think. Let's do that real quick. Let's take a quick poll. What do you guys think? I don't know. This open is so booty. So this is what I was talking about, right? This is why prop firms restricted metals, bro. Is because, to be honest, like NQ and ES has been moving. I mean, we had a nice move yesterday and like probably earlier this week or like last week somewhat a little bit, but I would say it's relatively slower than normal, like especially all of January. Warline is also live on YouTube. Hey, I love Justin Warline, bro. But he takes a bit too long to take a trade, but that's just his system. That was something that I couldn't really deal with. But he is an insane trader, so yeah, I like these equal lows. Okay, so a lot of you guys are leaning bullish. Okay, let's see. Let's end the poll real quick. Okay, well, we're selling off really aggressively, so now I'm thinking short. I'm thinking maybe we're short biased for a little bit until we maybe grab these London lows and Asia lows. So I think that's the plan right now. Especially if we close below. So we're just selling off past this 15-minute by a lot. So I think I'm bearish. So the only thing I can really do and wait for is maybe a retrace up into this fair value gap up here. That's the only thing I could really do at this moment. I mean, I could probably just slap a short and then it'd probably work out, but that's not really smart. So I think the best for me is, like I said, I don't see an entry. Maybe, yeah, I don't really see an entry on the 5. Like, my execution times are on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, but I don't see nothing. So like I said, you could probably just slap a short and maybe get away with it, but I don't like this. Those equal lows gonna get taken out and reversal to the buy side liquidity. I think that's the most, yeah, I think that's possible for sure. Like, I think I like longs. So like originally my game plan was since we're pretty close to these London highs, I wanted to see a sweep of the London highs and then a reversal back down for these equal lows, basically these relatively equal lows. We kind of just sold off, I'm not gonna lie. So no, that didn't pan out for sure, but let's see if we get a retrace somewhere in here and then maybe an entry. Okay, so this is like the only chance I see potentially. So the fair value app's gonna open right here. The best opportunity is maybe we get a quick retrace in here. I wouldn't be able to get a confirmation candle, I don't think. Like, I don't think I'll be able to wait for a closure. Like, if it just taps into here, I might take the entry. So ES, okay, so ES both tapped into it. They're both tapping. Okay, now, okay, honestly, at this point, now I would wait for a confirmation candle. So I'll wait for a confirmation candle out of here. I like this deep retrace though, I will say. I kind of like this better. I mean, you guys could take the tab, but me personally, I would rather wait for a closure just so I know that we're holding that gap. Instead of we're just gonna blast through, right? So this next candle that I want to see is just kind of to hang around right here and then close strong somewhere around like 300 or like 310. Like, that would be nice. So I like this tap. That's a clean candle. I want this next candle to not push too much yet. I want it to close bearish, but I don't want it to push like too far down, if that makes sense. So we'll see. I have to wait 50 seconds maybe for this next close to see what we do. Like I said, I want us to close somewhere around like right here. Like that would be ideal. I don't want us to push too far. And then I'll wait for the next candle. Like I'll wait for like another second or 5 seconds to see how this next candle prints. So I wanted to see for this closure, the next candle to open. And if we start pushing upwards, then I'll wait. But if we continue to push bearish, then I will enter short. But got about 20 seconds on this. I like this closure area. So I want us to hang out around here somewhere. I don't want us to push and take this liquidity yet. I just want to chill right here. Fuck. I mean, we might just take it, bro. I think I was asking for a little too much. I want us to close strong. I don't really like that closure. I don't like that closure. Might just take it though. Fuck. It didn't pan out. That's whatever. I think I wouldn't be able to get an entry anyways. Okay, we'll probably go for Asia lows. I didn't take it, no. I just didn't like this closure right here. You see this closure? It's too wicky for me. And then the next candle just insta drop. So I didn't really expect it to just drop immediately. I missed my entry. It's whatever. Yeah, I couldn't get an entry, bro, unfortunately. Hey, who took that though? Did anyone take that? Did anyone take the tap? For me, I always wait for a closure. That's probably why I missed this entry. But for me, I always wait for closures. That's why. Okay, so there's Asia low that we got. But 1 minute always IFEG. Okay. It closed past one of your levels. I see. Okay. All right. The only trade I see now, right now is probably gonna be this very small inversion rate, maybe. So if we reverse to the upside, I would like that. Shoot. I would like that. Yeah. The only thing is ES still has not taken this London low, so we definitely could continue to sell off right here. And let me check to see if we have another liquidity level. Yeah, we don't have anywhere else to go really on ES. I mean, sorry, NQ for a while. Like we'd probably have to sell off another 100 points. So I think this is a good reversal point. Could be a good reversal point. Bit of an SMT right now too. I don't know if this is a good dong though. Like I said, I think ES maybe wants to go for these London lows. I know it's an that counts as an SMT, but we'll just see how this candle closes, bro. If we continue to push, I might give it a try, but I don't know if this is like a great setup, so I might size really down. Okay, so I mean, there's the closure. If we continue to push, this could be an entry. If we flip back down, then I'll wait for a flip back up, if that makes sense. Just to be safe. But I'll go like very small. Yeah, I already swept these London low sessions, yeah. So trade could look something like this. I don't like it so far, nothing yet. Alright, I'll give it a quick stab, maybe. The only thing is, like I said, I would size down a little bit on this trade just because I don't like the ES spot where we're at. So if ES decides at any point it wants to go for these lows, we're gonna get stopped out on this trade. But you know, it could be a quick stab. I don't know, maybe break even at maybe this internal high right here. We could go break even at this internal high, or at maybe 15 points, like maybe break even right here. So we'll go break even at 330. Yo, what up, Mouse? How you doing? I mean, you could also be safer and just wait for break even at this internal high up here, but like I said, I don't think like I would rather just go break even as soon as I can just to go avoid this sell off in case it happens, and we might get like sold off right here. See what happens. My stop is at 80 right here. I think I get stopped here. I think the reverse could be also said, because now we have like a mini inversion down here to the downside. So I mean, if this closes below, this could send us down, but we'll see. Duma, I'm kind of confused. What do you mean by break even? Oh, I meant like to set my stop loss break even, like my stop loss break even, like just move my stop loss break even. That's what I'm talking about. I'm kind of yeah. What up, Bipinder? Yo. If we got a strong candle closure above this like this down closed candle, that would be a really good sign. But so far we might get stopped. We'll see. I don't know. We could hold this fair value at, like I said. I mean, the only if we close back below this inversion, like below 290, then I probably expect us to get stopped. So like I said, if we get close below this 290 level, I maybe expect us to get stopped out. The only way I see us winning this trade is if we can manage to close back above right here right now, like hold this level right here. That's the only way for the most part. Like this is the last line of defense for longs for now, I would say. Like this level has to hold, and it has to close above like right now, I would say. Otherwise we'd probably get stopped. Yeah. I think it's just because ES was maybe wanting to get these London lows. We'll see. I mean, it wasn't the greatest entry. Okay, I got stopped. That's unfortunate. We'll give it another try if it presents itself. But like I said, so now we're closing below this, right? So we're closing below this new one right here. So I would probably expect a quick short for a little bit, maybe until ES decides to sell off. You took the long? Unlucky, brother. We gave it a try, so I mean, it was unfortunate it didn't work out. Did I take the 1 minute IFG? I took like this mini one. I knew it wasn't that great of a trade, but I mean, I did say I was just gonna size down quite a bit on this. It wasn't that great of a trade. But yeah, let's see. I don't really see a re-entry somewhere, so we'll probably have to wait. I'll try to find one more trade. See if we can do anything. Like if I were to say something like, oh, that probably would have been the short entry. Like we closed below this inversion and then we flipped back down bearish, right? But I missed that trade, so not much. Oh yeah, what I was gonna show you guys is look how insane gold moves, bro. This is why the fucking prop firms banned this shit. Like if you look at gold and you try to enter a trade, look at how much sizing and how much leverage there is. I'm already down 200 points in a second, or sorry, 200 bucks in a second, just like that. Like look at, if I were to set my TP, bro, just a couple points. This is 9 points on 9 points of take profit on gold is 900 points basically, bro. That is ridiculous. That is some crazy stuff, bro. That's why all the prop firms banned it, because like imagine five contracts on gold or silver, bro. You're just making bank, or blowing your account. I don't know, either one. Okay. Well, this is a very choppy open, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. And of course, we get stopped, and then now it goes somewhat. So, I mean, there's always that. Always that. I think the only thing we can really do is hope for a fair value gap open right here, and then retrace and then take it. That's the only entry I see. I don't see any IFEG entries. I mean, the only thing over here is maybe this. If you could close above over here, like. Yeah, we get stopped, and this is the reversal we get. Unlucky. I mean, this is always kind of what you expect. A hope you just gotta hope for like a good V-shaped recovery, maybe after an inversion. But like I said, this wasn't a great trade, so that's unfortunate. Whatever. Maybe I should just haven't taken it. I probably shouldn't have just have taken it at all. But you know, it is what it is. So we move on. So maybe wait for a retrace right here. Let's see what happens. There's like an SMT down here, and then also a bigger SMT over here. So SMT, and then also a bigger SMT at these London lows. So double SMT. So NQ is for sure the weaker asset here, and ES is trying to push, right? So see what happens. Banned? Seriously, that's hard to believe. I've been waiting since Thursday and haven't taken a single trade. Huh? Wait, someone got banned? And oh, gold. I see. Yeah. I mean, if you guys are trading Lucid, you guys are good. Like, if you guys are trading Lucid, you don't have to worry about that. But, like, other prop firms right now, yeah, they banned gold and silver, bro. So much volatility on that. I don't think I'll go in entry. The only thing I guess you can do is maybe take a starter position. So what you guys could do here is maybe take a starter position. And honestly, I don't know if it's worth it, but like, I don't know if I would take this, but like, this is sometimes if we are too bullish or too bearish, I would do something what I would call like a starter position, in which I would enter a very small position size and just get a starter position going, right? And then obviously if it goes back down to my original entry, I'll probably get stopped, but I'll re-enter right here basically. And you know, obviously if it continues to push, then I'll just be in the starter position the entire time. But the RR, like my stop loss, is in a very risky spot right here, if that makes sense. Also, was good, Vincent. How you doing? Busy morning.
Yeah.
The only reason I knew you were in the call, bro, is because I heard like a mouse click in the background. I'm like, oh, that's the mouse. This is my only other spot, bro. So like maybe we close over here. That's the only other trade, and then we go break even right here. So two trade ideas could look like this, or it could look like this, depending on which one we kind of get. So the first trade is gonna be, okay, we might get the first trade right here actually. So all right, well, I didn't get the starter position off, but this could be a long right here maybe. I'll get ready to enter long, I think. Fuck, I don't like that push, but pushing a little too much. All right, I'll wait for a flip back up. So us to flip back up and we continue to push, then I'll take it. I don't want us to sell off like on this candle. I want us to flip, go back bullish. And then honestly, I'll break even like right here. My stop will be down here, like 40. I'll have like a 40 stop, I think. All right, I'll enter right there. And then my break even will be at around like 40, like 25,400. I'll put it at 25,000, or I'll put it at 25,395. So almost at break even. Oh, hold on. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay. So now I'm break even. I'd scale TP1, and then try to hold runners for London highs. Just know that because ES took these London highs, we might just sell off right now. We might go back break even. So, yeah, my camera is broken. Yeah, this was. I mean, I think I misplayed it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think I should have gotten the entry down here. I misplayed it though. So I think I could have gotten an entry like I said, like I could have gotten a starter position going, like I think on this candle. This could have been my starter position right here, but I missed this opportunity. I think I was a little bit distracted, but like I said, so what I was trying to explain is the reason I would take a starter entry was because I feel as if maybe we're too bullish or too bearish. So sometimes you won't get a retrace, right? So sometimes you won't get a retrace if that happens, if you're too bullish or too bearish. So that's why you take a very small size starter position to get started. That's with the anticipation and with the expectation that you won't get a retrace. So I was kind of expecting, yo, we might not get a retrace in this fair value gap, which is okay. Instead, I'll get a starter position going right here and then try to hold for these longs. We didn't get that, so the best next option was to wait for this inversion to happen, wait for the closure back above. The next candle opened bearish, so I didn't enter, and then once we flip back bullish, then that's when I enter. Yeah, the displaced candle. But yeah, so TP1 hit so far. That's a nice trade. All we could do is try to hold runners for full TP. Foo guys, yeah, so you wait for the 5-minute and you set your limit wrong. Yeah, it's unlucky, bro. Yeah, we just missed it. Also, the like double SMT down here, so I mean. See, so this is why I wanted to enter long down here. Like I said, this was a loss. It was a small loss. It's fine, whatever. Like I wanted to get a nice trade going. I knew it wasn't that great of a trade, but I think the second trade was a little bit clearer, like after this reversal, because now you have like double SMT. You have an SMT down here and the SMT down here. Maybe we really want these highs because ES has just been shooting for it. So I wasn't afraid to take this super high buy up here on this inversion, if that makes sense. So did anyone take that? So who took this or no? Who took this? Who took this? Took this? Who took this? Who's in profit? Who's not in profit? Ooh, a bit tired. Could you have technically entered earlier because we sweep internal lows then break? For me, Duma, I didn't find a entry personally. Like I didn't find, like I tried entering right here. So I tried entering right here, like I said. I entered long like right here somewhere. I knew it was a risky play because it wasn't that big of a fair value gap. I knew it was a risky trade, so I sized down. And then you see it obviously not work out. All right. But then right here, now once you get this double SMT and then we get this super displacive candle, this is like my sign. I'm like, okay, finally longs might be in play. So longs might work here. And I was thinking on this candle that we're not retracing. Usually on like after you make the fair value gap, this candle right here, this candle should kind of retrace into this fair value gap. And then you would maybe at least get a tap and you would be able to get a entry going. We didn't get that, so I was like, okay, I might have to enter on this candle with a starter position and then go break even like maybe at this internal high or when we get into this fair value gap fill, and then just try to hold, right? And then I hesitated a little bit and I was a bit distracted, so I missed that. So once we start continuing to push, I'm like, the only other place I see a entry was at this inversion, and obviously I took that, and that's working out a little bit better. But I mean, you could have taken an entry earlier, but I think the only other spot, I mean, okay, in terms of my execution, I could have taken it right here, but everywhere else I don't really see an entry for the most part. I think maybe you can make an argument. So what do you call it? Fugaz, would this be an CISD right here? Would this count as a CISD? Or womb or Fugaz, would this count as a CISD right here? This candle? Would this count as a what do you call it? A this would count as a CISD, right? Yeah, change in turn. Yeah, change in the state of delivery. Yeah, that's what I meant. CISD. Oh, you gotta use the down close candle. Is it this one then? So this one, or is it this one over here? Is it the first circle or the second circle? Okay, so this one right here, right, Womb? This one? Oh, the first one. Okay. Oh, the first one. Okay. Okay, yeah. See, so I mean, yeah, you depending on your style of trading, you could have entered on the first one. For me, I needed a little bit more, so I waited for the second one. I missed the second one, so it's fine. So I got in on the third one right here. It's fine. It's whatever. Oh, the one below the circle. Okay, let's see. Check the discords. Let's see. Okay, so you got in on that first entry. Unlucky Fugaz. That's the same entry as me. And then let's see, Womb. So the first, what is this? Is it NASDAQ right here? Okay. Is this the 5-minute? Oh no, this is 30-second. So you got stopped on the first original trade and then you got a re-entry. Oh, so down here. Damn, you got a snipe, bro. What the hell? Wait, you got a snipe, brother. You got in all the way down there? What the fuck? Holy shit. The fucking demon. You're a demon, bro. Alright, we'll just see what happens with this trade, I guess. I mean, I'm already out too. I got one micro left. ES took the high and we're accumulating and want to resweep that high and look for reversal. Yeah, I mean, depending on what we do at this London high will give me context for what we want to do for the rest of the day. For me, I think personally shorts are maybe done in this terms of like we already took out our London and Asia objective down here, so I don't really see a reason for us to be bearish. But, you know, who knows? Maybe we want to re-sweep these lows down here. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, like, what happens right here, if we take it, will definitely tell me if we want to reverse or not. Like, if we take this London high, so if we take this London high and kind of reverse immediately and then start slamming down, then, you know, maybe, sure, I would be bearish. But if we start hanging around this area and start pushing, then I'll probably expect higher. Yo, wait, let's check in on Justin. I want to see how Justin's doing. I haven't checked on Justin in so long, bro. This is one of the guys I learned from too, so let's see. Oh, he's in. Oh yeah, he in money, bro.
Neck going.
Let's see. Okay, he got in on the first candle, bro. He got in on the displacement candle. So I mean, I was too much. I think I was too much of a pussy to enter on this one, bro. Like this could have been a good one. I think I just hesitated, bro. I think I just hesitated. I don't know. Look, he's in fucking fat profit. Holy shit. Nice. Good shit, brother. Good shit, Justin. Alright, TP hit, I think, for me. I'm good. I'm out. I'm out. GG's. GG's, 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 GG's. Alright, unlucky first trade, but let's go. Full TP hit. Yeah, keep the win rate healthy, bro. Like I thrive on 1Rs, and then but recently I've been trying to hold a little bit more. But dude, when I was doing my best at trading, just 1R, 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 negative R sometimes, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Good shit. All right, who took that, bro? I don't know who took that. Who took that? Who took this entry? Nice. Actually, let's check Justin's reaction, bro. Hold on. That shit just hit. Probably like screaming and shit. He's like,
no,
yeah.
Right? You want to? I'm gonna take another one off there just because we have the SMT. I'll leave my last contract to run because I think that we can. Oh my goodness.
Light.
I'll just take it off there. All right, I'm done. Guys,
W.
what are the lessons learned today? Okay.
Hey, you know, we got our piece of the pie, right? We didn't get the entry. Hey, wait. Yeah, okay. I mean, hey, Woom, you got in down here, brother. So just know that you sniped the bottom, bro. You sniped the bottom. Good on you, bro. You sniped the bottom. You got in before me and Justin, bro. Justin entered right here. I entered all the way the fuck up here. You got that sniper entry, bro. And then I know Woom would have actually no, I know Fugaz probably would have taken this shit too, bro. 30-second low-key cooking. Okay. Yeah, I think Fugaz would have maybe taken this. Or did you only take this first trade and obviously that was gonna be the loss, right? Fugaz, this was you only took one trade today or what? Let's see. I don't know if Fugaz just took this first entry and that was it. I don't know if he took another entry, but that's a GG's for me. That's it for today's video, I guess, or today's live stream. I will be back tomorrow. Like I said, I might do a giveaway on Friday, so make sure you guys tune in for that. Yeah, I don't know. We'll probably have like 2 winners, 2 people that I think keep showing up every day, grinding. Maybe 3. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all tomorrow. Stay safe if you guys continue to trade. I'll probably be giving away Lucid account. I don't know. Maybe a Lucid account. I'll do like a 50K Lucid account or some shit. I don't fucking know. We'll see. I'll see y'all later. Hope you guys stay safe. Peace.